Welcome back to another tutorial, and this time this is a impression of a cityscape. Now I've always wanted to have a go at this, and I'm going to be using oils on canvas and a bowl scraper and a palette knife. I just wanted it to be really colourful. I didn't want to go into too much detail for the buildings, and it's basically, I was thinking of a riverside development almost, with office buildings and going off in the distance with the water. So it's a really colourful subject that I'm putting together. Yeah, I'm quite happy with it, and could have done more detail, but I really didn't want to. I wanted to keep it quite loose, and that's my style pretty much. So I hope you enjoy this. This is speeded up to 8 times the normal speed, so you can skip through it if you wish, but you can see how I've applied the paint. And the one thing I want to say is at the end of the video, I actually made some changes because I didn't feel that the buildings were looking like buildings. I really just wanted to square them off, and I give them some definition. So I did go back and do that, but I didn't actually film that. So you'll see the photograph at the beginning and at the end of the video exactly what I ended up with. I just wanted to make it more defined as buildings as an impression rather than trees. So there you go. So yeah, any comments, please drop me a line. And I haven't filmed all the paintings that I've done just recently, but I will be doing more. And if you like my content, please subscribe, give me a like, and yeah, just keep in contact. I'll do what I can and hope I can make it interesting enough for you. Anyway, thanks for watching. Let's get cracking and hopefully enjoy my little video. Thank you.